Hi, welcome back to my channel and very greetings, Happy New Year and Christmas to all my gang members. I hope you have been waiting for my video. First of all, I'm sorry for posting it after a very long time. Actually, I had a very good time, I had a blast with my kids. I was having fun. I had a summer, then I had a very funny winter, funny fall, and a very good winter. And now I'm back to work. So pretty much this is the end of the year and beginning of a new year. So I was pretty much thinking I should make on what topic, and I thought I should make on the topic that is the most challenging to all my students. Even one of my best students faced problem on this particular topic, and that is word problems. Whenever there are word problems in maths, it's a bit difficult. The most difficult part is that every word problems has a different kind of solution. Well, here I'm trying to bring everything on a one video, but I'll make three parts of this video. The first part is junior part, then the middle part, and then there's the expert part. So today in junior part we will focus about how to solve easy word problems, and then we will move on to the expert one. And by the way, stay tuned, because I have a secret method which will make all your word problems very easy to solve. It's my own secret recipe to solve word problems. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So pretty much today I have already written this question. This is a junior level word problem that we will solve today together. So as you can see, this is a junior level word problem. The question is, Ron has 45 candies and his sister has 25. That dad have double the amount of candies. How many candies do they have in total? Well, there are many different methods as I've come across to solve various word problems. Like there are some grass methods, or they don't come in my mind right now, but there are many different ways to tackle a word problem. But my secret recipe is to solve any word problem is this: 5. Yes, you have to read question at least minimum 5 times with patience, and I swear to God that if you are able to do that, the answer is there and there only. Just you need to read the question 5 times. Now as we will tackle this answer, look how many times do I read the entire question. So pretty much first time I read the question in front of you. Now let us try to solve it. How to solve it? So first we need to know what is given to us in this question, any question, that what is given to us, and then we will write what we have to find, what is given to us and what we have to find. In that we should read the question at least 2 times. So now let me start with the solution part. First I will start with what is given to me. So first I will write the name, that who has what. Ron, it's given to me that the character Ron has 45 candies. So I will say Ron has, so I'll put an arrow rather than equal to sign, as how many 45 candies. Then it's given to me that his sister has 25. Sister, I would just say. I'll not add any more information which is not given in the question. You can put a name, but I would it's not recommended. What is given to you, just stick to it. So sister has 25. So I say sister, it was 45, this is 25 candies. Then we have their dad has double the amount of candies. Double the amount of candies. Which amount? Double the amount of candies. Now which amounts are here? We have 45 and we have 25. So dad has double. Now double in operations, what does it mean? For that you can check my most recent video is order of operation. Double is a operation of multiplication. Anything times 2 is double. So dad has double the Ron and the sisters to chocolate. So that's not given to us clearly, to be fair. Like 45 and 25 are numbers that are given to us, right? And double the amount of candies, there's something fishy going on here, isn't it? Like they did not just straight away give us the dad's candy. So we would say that the dad candy here in what is given to us. Oh, I forgot to write. See, you don't make that mistake like I made. You first write step 1 given here, what is given to you. Then this is this Ron's dad is twice, 2 times the candies. Now what we got what is given to us. Now second step, what we have to find. So I'll write like this, to find. What I have to find? I have to find the total amount of candy. So I'll write to find total amount of candies. Ron has 45, sister has 25. The dad have double the amount of candies. How many candies do they have in total? So I have to find candies in the total. I will have a counter at the end here, like it will count how many number of times did I read the question. Make sure that you read the question again and again. So to find total amount of candies, I'll write total amount of candies. Total amount of candies. Okay, now from here, what is given to us, we have to go all the way here, and between is the process of it, like what we have to do here, what operations do we need to put to get the solution. So the first thing we know, what is fishy here, we will remove the fishiness or we'll get the numbers. Always we try to achieve in any word problem, we try to achieve a number. From words we go to number, and that is the solution of the word problem. From given word we have to move to the number. So what is here, this is a number, this is a number. Here that part is not a complete number, isn't it? It is twice the candies. So here we will try to solve the dad's part. Am I clear? So pretty much, again I say, I will repeat myself, from words we move towards numbers, digits. That's always a basic solution of the word problem. Read, given, to find, and to reach there, whatever it takes, we do that. All right. So now I see that the dad's candies I'll solve. So solution, now I will say solution. Now there are many techniques that you will see where they will say given, to find, and then instead of solution they would they would add fancy words like reasoning, and then they would add fancy words like formulas, they would add fancy words. Well, whatever is best for you, go for it. But if just for a basic level, you can follow this rule that you have to find solution for dad's thing. So dad candies, so candies dad have. So I would say dad's candies would be 2 times candies are what? Ron's and his sisters. So 2 times Ron's plus sister. If we need to add them up, isn't it? Like the sum of these 2 candies and twice of it. So that would give us 2 times, that's 45 plus 25, that's 2 times 70, so that's 140 candies. So dad's candy are how many? Twice of there, so it's 140 candies. Now I got the dad's candy as well. So now I got Ron's, I got sisters, and now I got dad's candy. So is that my answer? I'll try. No, I'll go to find total amount of candies. They don't care how many dad have. They don't care how, the question doesn't care how many sister have. The question doesn't care how many Ron have. Question cares that they want total amount of candies. Whatever is to find, that answer is my answer. So I will say total candy is gonna be this one plus this and add it up together. Ron has 45, sister has 25. Now the dad have double the amount of candies. How many candies do they have in total? So we have to figure out how many candies are there in the total from the question. So I would add now. I'm sorry, I'm out of space here. I don't want to get rid of this question, so, and I cannot write it less, right? So I'm sorry for making it a messy. So I'll just start with, this is my third solution, this is my given, this is my to find. Now solution further ahead. Therefore total, okay, my students said you are very old style guy, right? So you guys don't use therefore, I know that, but I'm not old, okay, but it's just that I use this, no worries. So I would say therefore oh, it's FO or FORE, oh my god. Therefore total candies would be Ron's plus sister plus dad. So it's a word problem, so I need to address the answer, I need to tell the answer in word rather than just the numbers, right? So I would say Ron plus sister plus dad. Then I will write below this word, I'll write the numbers, and that is the Ron's is 45 plus 25 and plus 140. The total you guys will give me, I'm not gonna give you that, okay? You add it and give me in the comment section. How about that? Now this will be the answer, right? No, this is word problem. In word problem the statement is everything. If you did not write the statement, there is 0 mark for word problem for me. That's the final statement makes it different than the rest of the questions that you do in math. So the final solution would be the final statement. Of course this is the final solution, no doubt in it, but the answer you will present in final statement. So this is number 3. Number 4 is statement. For statement, again I need to go back to question. Ron has 45 candies and his sister has 25. The dad have double the amount. How many candies do they have in total? This my question is my final statement with a solution. Every question, whether there is in math, science or in life, it needs to be answered, right? Even if a question from our heart, it needs to be answered. Similarly here the question is there and we need to answer it. So the answer will be the final statement. How many candies do they have in total? Therefore total amount of candies equal to, you guys give me the answer in comment section. So pretty much if you see like that, usually this word problem solution has some name, this GTSS but read the question first. RGTSS, that's the solution that I can give. R means read, G means given, F R G F S S. So it's read the question, G is for the given, F is to find. What is to find? We need to mention that. Then comes the solution. So for that you need to read the question. Whenever you don't get any question, don't worry, just relax and read it once, twice and thrice. It happens with us, isn't it? Someone we don't like at first place, at first sight, or when we meet them we don't like them, but gradually if we give time, we understand them, we start to love them. It happens with me and my student, isn't it? At first they hate sir when sir gives them homework, but then gradually when time goes, they start to like sir, the way the funny he is, right? So I don't do that, I straight away love my kids. So make sure that this is for the junior level, by the way. So this is a word problem for junior level. If you like it, we will go to the middle level and then we'll move to more complex level of word problems and how to solve them. So if you like it, please share it and subscribe. First of all, I would like to thank my student Jinal for this wonderful editing. That's the only thing that people like in my videos. And today's question was suggested to be, or actually it was made and designed by my student Drashti. And there are for any other doubts or inquiry, just let me know in comment section. Thank you and have a wonderful happy new year. Thank you.